Start with a wet surface and a fresh blade to gently lift stubborn soap scum without scratching the tub. Soap scum is calcium and soap buildup that bonds to surfaces, so soften it first by steaming the area with hot water from the tap or a kettle and letting it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to loosen minerals. Use a non-abrasive cleaner, such as a diluted white vinegar solution for acrylic and porcelain, or a pH-balanced, manufacturer-approved cleaner for coated and stone tubs, applying with a soft microfiber cloth and allowing dwell time to break the film. For baked-on layers, use a single-edge razor blade scraper only on a wet surface, and with a fresh blade held at a very low angle, pushing gently to lift deposits rather than gouging the finish. Keep the blade parallel to the surface and change blades often so you are always using an unchipped edge. After scraping, follow with circular passes using a non-abrasive pad soaked in the cleaner to remove residue, rinsing frequently and checking progress by touch to feel for remaining slickness. Dry the area with a soft towel to reveal spots you missed and to prevent new mineral deposits from forming as water evaporates. For delicate or unknown finishes, test a small hidden area first, and when in doubt, call the tub manufacturer for recommended cleaners and tools to protect warranties. People often press too hard with scrapers or pads and create scratches, so ease up, use a fresh blade, and maintain a low blade angle while working slowly. Another common issue is using acidic cleaners on porous stone or coated tubs, which can etch the surface, avoid acids on those materials, and use a manufacturer-safe product instead. A third mistake is skipping the softening step and trying to abrade dry, hardened scum, so always steam or soak first and allow proper dwell time before scraping. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share project details so you can find professionals familiar with specific tub materials and local water conditions. We also host an active discussion community where contractors and homeowners exchange tips, recommend cleaners, and troubleshoot techniques so both sides can find work and solutions.